Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I've got my Disney top. This is what I wore in Japan. And it's a hoodie. It's keeping me nice and warm. Because under this, I have my work top. Because I've just recently finished work. But here we go. So today, I went to Argos and picked up a new Chromecast. It's the brand new one. Cost me £34.99, which isn't too bad. My other one broke, so I needed a new one anyway, and this one comes with a remote control. So I'm going to show you the box. Don't know why that's on there, but there we go. Hang on, I'll pause you here and I'm going to turn you around because I can see it as well as you. Okay, I'll be right back. See you later. Right then, so this is the better angle. So it says simply set up, plug, connect and stream. So today I'm using my mum's TV as I'm around my mum's. So it says you can say, hey Google, use the voice remote, which comes with it. My other one didn't come with a voice remote for some reason. To control the TV, search and more. Search for yoga videos, find action movies and play some music. So see the bottom of the box for details. We'll look into that in a little second. That's on the other side. Just tells you how you do it. Google TV puts all your entertainment in one place. So it's easy to find what you want. Discover 400,000 films and TV episodes. Get recommendations and see where they are available in stream. This comes with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, works with Android and iOS. We all know that. What's included? The Chromecast, power cable, etc., etc. That's basically it. So let's try and unbox this thing one-handed. It shouldn't really take that long because it's a proper box, she says. Right, let's give this a go. I can't wait to see. Sorry it's moving around a bit because I'm doing this one-handed. Right, there's the wrapper off. Excuse me, I've just had me dinner. I've had a Slimming World because I'm currently on a diet. So let's... How do we do this? And it's really weird because I don't know how to undo this box. Oh, here we go. I'm opening it round the wrong way, guys. That's why. Right then. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the front. That's what it's going to look like when it comes out of the box. So, there we go. Turn my screen up. There we go. I can see now. Ready? Here we go. There he is. Right then. So that's what it looks like open. So this is the Chromecast, and this little thing here is the remote. I can't wait to see how small it is because it looks very tiny, the remote. So let's. Alright, I'll put that low because we're gonna take these two boxes out. And then I'm going to put that to one side. We'll open the Chromecast up first. So we'll put them together. It's just really a plain box. Shows you on the front of the remote. The other one is a plain one. And there's a little thingy majig there where I think you pull it, the flap up and all of that. So let's get into it. I'm doing really well doing this one-handed, by the way. It's very difficult doing it one-handed because you can't really get a grip on it as well as two-handed. There it is, coming out. Oh, it's really, I love the wrapper it's in. It's white, obviously. That's what it says on the box. And it feels a bit bigger than my other one. Let's make sure there's nothing in there. No? Right then. There she is. Let's get her out of the packaging. I hope this comes with the wire, because I won't be happy. There she is. Oh my god, it's huge. The size of it. So, what does it say on the back? HDMI, high definition. There's the front of the G. Not sure if mine come with the letter G. And it seems to be a bit bigger. I do like the look. So, that's open. Let's do the remote. Can't wait to see how small this remote is. This will be very interesting. Oh, it does feel quite tiny. My god, it's a proper remote. There we go. Here she comes, she's sliding out. Oh my god, it is so pretty. So we got on the buttons. Back, I think that's a Google Assistant. Home button, mute button, YouTube, Netflix, wow. On and off button, I think that's a back button as well. It is beautiful. And obviously that's the, I think that's the volume keys. I like the way it feels. I think that's a touch as well. That's very nice. Right, let's put them two together. So that's the remote. Take a picture because I'm sure my boyfriend wants to see it. Let's get the box over. So in the box we have a get started booklet. Let's open this. Oh, at least that was a bit easier. Pretend you didn't see that under there because you're not meant to see that yet. So we get, let's get started. Shows you how to set it up, etc. Put the batteries in, Google Home. I've already got that on my phone from the last one. Shows you all the buttons about the remote. And press and hold the Google Assistant. I was right, guys, that is a Google Assistant. And that's what's included. The power adapter, 2 AA batteries, power cable, the Chromecast and the remote. So that's that. As I said, in the box we have the batteries. So I'll have to put the batteries in because I want to see what it looks like. Get the recharger out. Oh, there's the batteries. So they're just plain batteries plus, and they're both plus. So let's open this little bit. This is the charger. Looks like a Samsung charger. Very similar. Yeah, so that's the charger. You push the thing up, which I can't do at the moment because, as I said, I'm doing things one-handed. There's the cable. It's a very long cable. It's a USB. It's quite similar to my phone charger, I think. And my phone doesn't really want to focus, but hey ho. So that was the end of my video. Thank you for watching, and I'll tell you a bit of the review afterwards. Love you lots. Bye.